If you're running a business on Facebook or Instagram, you've probably heard about Facebook Business Suite, now called Meta Business Suite. This free tool from Meta allows you to manage all your business activities across Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger from one convenient dashboard. Whether you're creating content, engaging with customers, or analyzing your performance, Business Suite makes it easier to handle everything in one place. One of the standout features is the unified inbox. Instead of checking multiple apps for messages or comments, you can see all interactions from Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger in one place. You can also set up automated replies, which saves time and ensures your customers always get a quick response. Another key feature is content creation and scheduling. You can create posts, stories, and even ads for both platforms simultaneously, and schedule them ahead of time to keep your social media consistent and organized. Analytics and insights are also built in, giving you real-time data about how your posts, stories, and ads are performing. You can see audience demographics, engagement rates, and reach, helping you make smarter marketing decisions. Business Suite also supports ad management, allowing you to launch and track Facebook and Instagram campaigns from the same dashboard. On top of that, team collaboration is easy. You can assign roles like content creator or moderator, so multiple people can manage your accounts securely. The benefits of using Facebook Business Suite are clear. It saves time, improves customer engagement, helps you plan content better, and provides valuable insights to grow your business. It's perfect for small and medium businesses, social media managers, marketers, and customer support teams who want to stay organized and efficient. If this video helped you understand Facebook Business Suite and how it can help your business, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and guides on social media management. Thanks for watching.